Hey guys, it's day, I don't know, of quarantine, and today I wanted to make a face mask for my cats. I just thought it would be cute and it would be fun, and I've been seeing like photos of cats with mask on, and I just thought it was like funny and cute, so I wanted to try to do it today with my cats. I have my sewing machine behind me. Just gotta plug her in, turn her on. But first, before we get into all that, we're gonna have to do the measurements and stuff and make the pattern and everything. And yeah, so hopefully this actually comes out good and cute. And yeah, I hope they keep them on. My cats don't like to put stuff on, so hopefully they don't just like rip it off in 1 second, because then I'm gonna cry. I didn't really make a pattern, I just drew circles on the fabric and like held it up to my cat's face. I only want to make enough to like cover their nose and their mouth. I don't want it to get into their eyes or anything. And then I was thinking about putting like elastic that goes behind their head, not over their ears, but behind their head, just so it's like not uncomfortable, I guess. And yeah, I don't know, this one's for Dante. Oh my god, stop. This one is for Dante, and then this one is for Butters, since Butters is a little bigger. Boy, if you don't. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna sew them and then see how they come out. And yeah, hopefully they're like perfect. I finished the mask. They're not perfect, but I mean, they're for my cats, so, and my cats are not really gonna wear them. I just made them like for fun. I'll show you guys how they look on them. And yeah, I think they look super funny, super cute. They're not exactly the same. I made it out of this bootleg Gucci fabric. Oh my god, they're gonna hate it. Okay. Wait. Butters. Okay, I have it around her neck so I could just pull it up. Okay, let me just do this for 1 second. Don't take it off. It's only 1 second and then I'm gonna take it off you. I just want to see how it looks. Butters, look up. How cute. Oh my god, okay. There, see, look, it's not on your face. I just want to see. Oh my god, you're fucking dramatic. Next victim. Get out of here. I already tried his on him, but not on camera, so. Sit. Okay. The elastic, one of the elastics ripped. Okay, wait. Ay, qué lindo. Okay. Let me put Butters on you. Maybe it'll fit you. He likes to play with rubber bands. Dante, stop. Let me see. Let me put it on.
Shut the hell up, bitch.
Okay, good job. Oh my god, you're so cute. Hey. Look up.
Go kill yourself. Go sit in the middle of the road and let a car run over you.
So cute. Are you even in frame? Dante.
You're ugly. You're disgusting. I'm going to kill you.
Okay. See, you could breathe. As you can see, my cats were not very big fans of the mask I made them. They're so unappreciative. And Dante's elastic ripped while I was trying to put it on him. But don't look at me like that. You're always fucking looking at me. Anyways, like, yeah. He liked the elastic because he loves to fucking play with rubber bands, but he didn't like it on his little nose. I don't know, if you're sad in the quarantine or whatever and you need some wholesome content, this is your wholesome content. And yeah, I don't know, I was really bored and I've been really unproductive during like this whole crazy time, and I don't know, it feels like I did something today. Even though it was stupid and it was dumb, it feels like I did something. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say. My cats hate it and I work so hard for them. Is this what it's like to have kids? I feel like an asshole now. But Anyways, an asshole to like my parents. Okay, anyways, I don't know. Thanks for watching. What kind of videos do you want me to make while in quarantine? I have a couple ideas, but I don't know. What's something you would like to see on my channel that I could do while in quarantine? Anyways, bye.
You're ugly. You're disgusting. I'm going to kill you.